How to fix Gumtree app not working. Hi everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be teaching you and you'll be learning how you can fix Gumtree app not working. Maybe you got the Gumtree app on your mobile device and it's not working and then you're wondering why. Now, this can be as a result of different reasons. The first reason is perhaps you're using the previous version of the app. So the first thing to do is to check if an update is available for the app. The next is that ensure that your device's operating system is up to date. Yes, you have to check if your operating system is up to date. And also you can try deleting and reinstalling the app. So these are the three basic way you can fix the problem. Because if the app is not working and it's not a general downtime, that means your device is the one with the issue. And if Gumtree is going to have a general downtime, you would have been informed beforehand. And if the problem persists, just notify the customer service team of any issues that should be resolved in future releases. So you can just once you do all of these steps, deleting and reinstalling the app, checking the update is available, making sure your device's operating system is up to date. If you tried all of this and the problem still persists, just come over to the website and then click on the three dashes located by the top right corner of the screen. Once you click on it, in the box available, you'll see help and contact. Help and contact is above logout. Just click on it. And then once you click on it, you'll be directed to the Gumtree help desk. Here in this help desk, you can just go ahead and type in your issues in the dash bar that will be displayed to you here. Just type in the issues you're facing. It's just type it in and then search for it and you'll be directed on what to do. So this is how you can fix Gumtree app not working. Thanks for watching.